Hello! In this tutorial I'll teach you how to install programs from our store. So let's log in our framework, choose the advanced workspace and the corresponding projects. So what are programs? Programs basically are pieces of code which we can import from our store into projects. So basically to do that we go to this menu here of our layer or the project and we click in the menu, say install program. The same action could be achievable if we click here tools and click in the menu here saying install a program. We see here that if we have the program already downloaded, we can upload it, or we can see the programs that we currently have in our store and we can choose to install it. To install we need to click in this button choose, and when we click it automatically the system will install and will run the installation file. And here basically we do our own selections according with each program. In this case I'll just do next. And the program is installed successfully. Then it gives us here some messages that basically it says that we should, in case this program have authenticated pages, which has, and you wish to add some other users permissions, please follow the steps. So basically it's telling us to go to the user management, which is the same, then go here manage users, to the management panel and go to the correspondent user module, which this button it does automatically, and go to the right place so we can add new permissions. Additionally, it says that this specific file it couldn't set the correct permissions, which basically it's this file in here. So basically what this program did was installed the files inside of this folder, inside of the pages, and if we see the blocks we have an off folder too, and if we open the config we have some here off_vars file that this program installed. Basically programs install a bunch of files across the layers that we currently have. So basically currently we have an interface connecting with the logic and connecting with the data access layer, which connects with the database. So the program knows that and automatically it copies the corresponding files for the specific layers. If we didn't have a data access layer, if we just had an interface layer that connects with the logic and the logic connects with the database, automatically the program it will install the corresponding files. So if we see here, we don't have any logic for the off file, and in here we should not have any files too. So basically this program only installed files in the presentation layer. But if we install other files, if we install other program, let's say that I want to install a car shop. In this case I see here that we'll install files in this layer, in this data access layer, and in this business logic layer, and then in this presentation layer inside of this project. And program is installed successfully. So if I refresh basically my program, I should see here the corresponding program files, and same thing here. And if we refresh this, should happen the same thing. So we have here a new file, in here we have a new folder, and in the blocks the same thing, and in the templates probably the same thing. Yeah, we have a new template. So basically what this does is we install pieces of code according with the programs into our projects, so then we can start using them as a final application. So let's see, we install this car shop application. So let's see what happens when I do the preview. So it's telling that it's not allowed, the user, so I need to log in. and after I log in I have access inside of the correspondent application, where I can do my own changes. So basically in our store you have a bunch of programs that you can install in your project, and then you can go to the specific files and change the logic through low code or through code or through no code visual environment. So there are multiple ways of changing the codes. And that's it, so thank you very much.